And travelers spending at least one night in Aspen and Pitkin County will be required to show proof of a negative COVID test. This rule takes effect on December 14th, and violations come with a fine of up to $5,000. Now, they aren't going as far as Aspen, but Winter Park is taking extra precautions as well. Denver 7's Jason Grenauer is there tonight.
It's good. It's just good to be back on the mountains.
Winter Park opening for the season yesterday, joining several other Colorado ski resorts, all trying to figure out how to safely operate in a pandemic.
The skiing on the mountain is going to be the same as everyone has expected.
It's just that most everything else is different. They're limiting numbers, but not telling us by how much. Masks are required everywhere except while skiing. Social distancing is encouraged, and indoor dining here has been closed.
They're doing a pretty good job. I mean, if you want to, you can have your own gondola. There's no rush or anything.
It's weird to always have a mask on even while I'm down here in this heat. You know, it's like pretty warm out, a little rough, but it's so worth it.
The rules at Winter Park are actually even more than Grand County requires.
We are still, as a resort, behaving and acting like we are at a higher level just because we want to stay open.
To do so, the resort is asking skiers to take personal responsibility, to wear masks, keep distance, and stay home if they're sick.
We want to stay open, and we need our guests to help us do that. That's, I think, the biggest piece here, is making sure that people follow the rules so we don't get elevated.
Even with good crowds this opening weekend, a recent survey found 31% of Colorado skiers are considering skipping this ski season because of COVID concerns in some resorts' reservation systems.
We're doing what we can to make sure that this is a good place for people to come and, try to lessen their concerns. But when it comes down to it, it's really up to individuals.
Individuals who should plan ahead, make reservations, or pre-purchase tickets.
This is not the year to be spontaneous.
And don't forget your mask. In Winter Park, I'm Jason Grenauer, Denver 7.